Hi, we're Team 9, and we were assigned the first case, which is the convention center. So, our scheduling system is organized into multiple menu options that the user can click on to navigate it. And the system is usable by employees, customers, and venue owners. So, our first use case is to view available venues, and this is what a customer would do. And they would start out by entering a date, and once they've entered a date, they can submit that and then check for the venue. And then the system will show them a list of venues available on that date. And then they will click on whichever venue they want and then enter their contact information to receive a confirmation email. Our second use case is to view event information. And this is also a customer function. So the customer would enter their name and the date of their reservation, submit it, click event information, and then they would get a detailed form with the information that they would want to know about the event. And then they would click confirm, enter their contact information, and then they will receive a confirmation email that they have a reservation for that event. Our next use case is use case 4, and that is to view customer contact information. And this is something that a scheduling office employee would want to do. So they would click on the menu option for it, and there will be a list of customers that they can pick from. And once they see the customer that they want to see the information about, they select them, and then it will display the information to them. And then they will go back home. And the next use case will be to register a venue account. So venue owners will enter through the venue portal, and they need to log in. So before they can do that, they have to register an account. So they will enter a vendor ID or venue ID that cannot be the same as another venue, and then a password, and then they will register, and that will automatically create them an account that they can then log in with. And then our next use case, the venue will log in, and then they will have the option to view venue schedule, so they will be able to see the schedule that their venue has for the events in the future. And they will click that, and then they'll be able to see all the detailed information about the events that their venue will be hosting. So our next use case is use case 5, which is view available venues. And that will be an employee function. And they will enter a date, submit the date, and then they will check for the venue availability. And then they will be able to see what venue is available on that date. And then our next use case is use case 10, which is view reservation information. And this will be a customer function which they will enter their username and password, and then they will be able to see detailed information about their reservation that they have coming up. Finally, we have use case 9, which is register a customer account. So if they didn't already have an account, this is how they would make one. So you simply would click register account, create a unique customer ID and a unique password, and then click register. And then they will have an account that they can then use to log in and see reservation information such as use case 10. So that is our system and how it works. Thank you.